This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and starting the reboot sequence. Make sure battery is at least 20% and your important files are backed up. This prevents data loss if you must force reset. Once done, check settings about phone to note MIUI version and model. This helps targeted troubleshooting later. Now power off the device fully. Press and hold power until the screen goes dark. If the touchscreen is not responsive, connect a USB mouse or prepare My PC suite so you can navigate recovery. Next, you perform the main steps to exit safe mode. Try a standard reboot first. Long press power, then choose Restart. MIUI typically clears safe mode on a normal boot. If safe mode persists, swipe down the notifications shade and look for a safe mode toggle. Disabling it, there will return normal operation. When both fail, use recovery. Power off, then press power plus volume up to enter recovery and select Reboot System Now. These steps cover the usual paths, and they diagnose whether software or an app caused the state. Finally, you complete the transition and clean up. If the phone reboots into normal mode, uninstall any apps added just before safe mode appeared. Problematic apps often force that state. Make sure to reboot between uninstalls to confirm which app caused the issue. Only use a factory reset as a last resort. Back up everything, then go to Settings System Reset to erase. If problems persist, boot into safe mode deliberately to isolate misbehaving apps one at a time. This method pinpoints the culprit without immediate data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.